Streetlight here. In this video we're gonna check the battery. Alright, things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a rag. If you have some sort of blower, that will help. Distilled water. Something to pour distilled water with. This came with an iron and a Phillips head screwdriver in this case, or a wide flathead might even be better. But what we're going to do first, you want to either wipe this, or I suppose you could start with the blower. The idea is you want to get as much dust as you can out from here. You're still going to have like little tiny pieces of sand that you're just not going to be able to get out. That's just the way it is. Using your Phillips head, that one may not clear. You can disconnect your battery if you wish. You actually don't have to, but you don't want the battery charging when you do this. And I lied to you about the Phillips head. It's not going to work. We're going to need to get a big flathead screwdriver. Using a large flathead screwdriver, put it in there, break them loose. Do not remove them yet. Also, make sure you don't shorten the two out, such as putting your screwdriver across them. You get a nice spark show if you do so. But you break them loose, don't remove them, because I remember that sand. Now we're going to blow it some. Don't have them too loose. And let me give my standard disclaimer. This is what I do. And this video is for entertainment purposes only. You don't want the air to push through them and pop them out, or get the water to come out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually remove. Do this where you can actually see it. Actually is apparently the word of the day. Now you can see this has, well, you can't see really. You can see there's some moisture on it. So this has some acid on it, so don't put it on stuff that you don't want it on. And if you look down in there, I'm hoping this will show up on the video. You can kind of see the level. And mine is just barely over the plates. You'll see some what looks like some lines going across. That is the plates. And mine is just barely over it. It has to be over it. If it's under it, it's going to mess it up. But my battery's dying. Hold on. Does anyone else find it ironic that the battery in my camera was dying when I am doing a video on batteries? So mine is okay, but it's still a little low. If I drop this in and pull it out, it just barely touches the bottom, I think. It's kind of hard to tell. It's mostly dry. All right, it does not touch the bottom. You can also see, hopefully, you can see the plastic, I'm hoping. And you want the distilled water to be right up to the bottom of the plastic. That's where you want it. And it's got to for sure be above the plates. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little. Mine is not bad, but it is a little low. So we're going to add some. I have distilled water in this little thing. You may want a funnel. This would be a lot easier if it was out of the car. Does that help? So we're gonna dump water on the negative terminal because that'll get it into the hole. Oh boy. I should have. This is a fiasco, but it's all on video. That could have went much better. But I guess it's a demonstration that it doesn't actually hurt. Anything doing that. Now, I'm looking into the hole here, and it's just a touch more. It's ironic that I used this because I didn't want to make a mess. So I have it just a little bit past the where the plastic is. On the first one, it didn't take a whole lot, but it took a little bit. I've been driving this for almost 2 years. Battery is almost 2 years old. Now I will go through each of the 6 doing the same. Yeah, I know it's too late. I already bored you, but we're on the last one. Slow, smooth, steady. Surprised at how much water this had lost. And we now tighten it, and my fingers are getting eaten by the acid. No, it's just water. Tighten them. Don't over tighten it, it's just plastic. It doesn't have to be super tight. Get them snug. So you may have, instead of the screw type, one that's got these panels across the top. Could be 2 or 3 or 1 across the whole thing. Flathead screwdriver after cleaning it up. And it'll pop right out. And there's your access. Now we just got to clean up the mess. Paper towel probably works better than my dirty rag. But that's it. Dry it off. Start it up. Take it for a drive. Charge it all the way up. You're good. So again, I recommend doing this once a year on your batteries. Make sure that it is the type in which these will remove. There's a few that are maintenance free. You can't pull those off, but they should say that they're maintenance free. So there you go. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.